Well, it's almost 2 in the morning, and at least a couple months since I filmed the bulk of this video, but I thought I'd, film this so that you could enjoy the process of me unboxing parts of my Tamiya BRZ and just enjoy the kind of the build process of one of these great Tamiya kits. And if you watch the next couple of videos or so, that's the finished product. So, enjoy. Alrighty, here we go. This, folks, is what you're here for, right? This is a TT02 chassis. I got the BRZ version, Toyota BRZ, and I actually wanted to do something different, so I tried doing magnet mounts for this one, and it kind of worked, but it kind of didn't, because I got these somewhat cheap ones off Amazon, and they don't really fit this chassis at all, actually. So I kind of had to modify it quite a bit, but with a bit of hot glue and some Dremel work, I got it to work and fit. So yeah, I haven't fully painted the body yet, but half painted. There we go. That's what it looks like right here. So that's the basis. My next step here is to put black for the stripe and the sides here. Now I want to show you the power system. I have a coreless digital servo that says 0.08 second speed, so this one's just pretty quick. Let's get it powered up. And yes, this is a very janky system here with a Dean's to the Tamiya connector. So, and this is my radio, actually a FlySky G7P. It's pretty nice. So you can kind of see how fast the servo is. Really quick. Yeah, it's actually a pretty fast car. This battery hasn't been discharged, so it doesn't quite have the same amount of power right now, but yeah, I really like this radio too. It's a 7-channel. So anyway, what I plan on doing with this is putting a full-on light system in it, and what else? For the most part, that's it. This car is pretty nice, 4-wheel drive. Yeah, it was fun to build too. So this right here should be the package for the lights, and let's open it up, shall we? All right, see what it is. Alright, this is the one that looked the best to me on the internet, but we'll see if I'm right about that. It's simply called RC Car Flashing Light. Very creative name right there. Let's see if it works though. If it doesn't, it better be taken back, right? Don't want our money stolen from us. Yeah, it looked pretty good because I like the braking system for this, the braking mechanism. Basically, it's kind of realistic to where the rear lights are usually red, and then when you brake, it turns brighter. Most of the light kits seem to not have that, so that's why I like this one. Alright, let's read this. In the RC market, most of the light system can only provide the lighting function, which is always on or flashing. If you want, make your car be the most attractive one on the track, 3 Racing would like to introduce our new light system to you. This true to life light system can give different response as your action. Okay, that's quality English. Okay, this looks pretty good. Alright. Wow, okay, this is not waterproof, just so you know. Not waterproof. Definitely not. Oh, man. Well, luckily this car is not going to see water, I don't think, so... okay, there's 2 Y cables or Y harnesses, I think. Alright. That's a lot of lights. That is a lot of lights. Gee. Okay, let's see. Connect the Y cable channel 1 to short and to steer. Oh, steering servo. Pretty sure they meant steering there. And receiver channel 1. The other long end is connected to LED control box channel 1. Hang on, guessing that means just plug it in. I do wonder if I'm gonna edit all this out. Ah, J, okay, I got this diagram, kind of why I bought this thing. So this shows the ports, I think. So J1 through 8, right here. So if we want braking to be on. Okay, so we want to plug it to J6. We want to plug the red LED into J6. J number 6. There's a 6 there, and there's a 6 there. Off. On. J7. There. Alright, there we go. Okay, if this explodes, this is gonna be lame. Turn the radio back on. Okay. Whoa! I think I plugged the wrong thing into the wrong thing. Look at that, I plugged in the wrong thing. Okay. Here we go. This should be better. Whoa! What's going on here? That's weird. Okay, that's not working correctly. J6. Definitely not doing what it says it was gonna do. Anyway. There is these switches here. It might take me a lot of trial and error to get this working. So, I'm gonna have to get back to you when I actually get this working. But if we get this working, I think it'll be cool. Because this body right here that is still being worked on. That is magnet mounted. It has, where is it? It has light buckets. So I'll be able to put the lights inside of these lenses and it'll look super awesome, I think. Okay, well, let's get to the second part of the video, shall we? Alright, this is it. The interior for the vehicle. And of course I'm still not ready. Okay, here we go. Hop up options, huh? Tamiya. Alrighty. This is looking pretty good. The detail looks pretty decent, actually. Looks pretty decent. Of course, I'm gonna have to paint this and everything and cut it out. Looks pretty nice to me. Oh boy, look at that. They have a Lamborghini and a Mercedes on this instructions. Neither of which I have. Also, I probably should have gotten the the right-hand drive version because the BRZ in real life is right-hand drive. At least the version I have, so. But, you know, it is what it is. And these are supposed to be the urethane spacers. Okay, cool. Cool, cool. The dude. And the dude with the visor down. Do plan on airbrushing this thing black and then probably hand brush it. But yeah, hopefully this is gonna look really nice. I think it will. And here's the decals. I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to have some kind of lights inside of the dash. Do you think that'd be kind of cool? Maybe I could put it like right here in the center console. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Might be kind of cool. Lights inside of the side of there. Let's see. I think it'll fit. Yeah. Should work. Okay. Well, how was it? Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.